Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix brightness control not working on iPhone. So let's get started the video without wasting any time. Solution 1. Check and disable auto brightness. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Here, make sure the toggle for auto brightness is turned off. Solution 2. Disable night shift. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Here, scroll down and tap on night shift. Here, make sure the toggle for night shift is turned off. Solution 3. Low power battery. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. Here, tap on battery. Here, disable the toggle for low power battery. Solution 4. Software update. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, tap on general. Here, tap on software update. Here, make sure that you are using the latest version of iOS. If an update is showing here, update it. Solution 5. Disable auto brightness in accessibility settings. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Here, tap on display and text size. Here, scroll all the way down and disable the toggle for auto brightness. Now go back to the previous menu. Here, tap on zoom. Here, make sure the toggle for zoom is turned off and then check your problem is resolved or not. Now swipe down from the top right corner and adjust your screen brightness. That's all for today's video. Like our video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.